I'm Dr. D-Flo. I recently used this printer to create my cabin for my life-size bedsheet. The massive print volume of the Giga allows you to dream even bigger and realize those dreams. My favorite Elegoo 3D printer is of course the one that I'm sitting in, the Orange Storm Giga, which has an impressive build volume of 800 by 800 by 1000 millimeters. Not only can it print large parts, but it's also a workhorse. I've printed over 100 kilograms on it in the first year that I've owned it. A lot of that material that I printed went to the cabin on my life-size 3D printed bedsheet. The other thing that I like about this printer is that it's a normal filament extruder. It actually uses the same slicer as most desktop printers, so the workflow or even just the learning process is no different for this big of a machine compared to a desktop printer. The only thing that could make this printer better would be if it was even bigger. For your 20th anniversary, you should release a printer that's twice as big. Let's go.